What's up, guys? Back at it again. 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. Original turbo. Took a shit. Splines are binding up, so it's causing lack of boost. So, customer brought me a used turbo from the salvage yard. So, as you can see, they cut all this harnesses and piping off of it. So, let's go ahead and take this off and get it ready for install. Here's a new one. You guys got to be careful with these hoses right here. They're very sensitive. They're plastic, so be careful with that. So that's it. Now I just gotta replace this gasket right here, the one right here, the mounting surface to the cylinder head, and clean the cylinder head itself and the downpipe and install it. I'll put a part 2 on this video.